Subscribe to our channel. Magnetic Calendar for Refrigerator by SmartyPlans. Review. Are you looking for extra thick, magnetic fridge calendar to help you plan 2 weeks ahead? Dry Erase Calendar by SmartyPlans is easy to write on and reuse. You can wipe with a dry eraser and never worry about leftover marks. Why choose Magnetic Fridge Calendar by SmartyPlans? Now you can plan like a pro with a daily planner that lets you schedule 2 full weeks in advance. Perfect for families, as a fridge calendar, remembering payment due dates, and planning appointments. With ample note space, it's great for to-do lists and reminders too. SmartyPlans Dry Erase Calendar is perfectly sized to fit any kitchen refrigerator for an instant overview of everything you have planned. Use your day planner to keep the whole family updated on everyone's schedule and tasks all week, every week. SmartyPlans Magnetic 2-week planner for refrigerator. Pros and cons. Pros: great value for money. The boxes are big enough for dinner plans, life plans, and little notes. Excellent customer support. Cons: leaves indentions when you write. Do not erase easily. Great magnets, lackluster markers. SmartyPlans Magnetic 2-week planner for refrigerator by features. Easy to clean, 9.7. Easy to use, 9.7. Sturdiness, 9.6. Sheerness, 9.7. Value for money, 9.7. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Plan 2 weeks ahead. This planner has an ample note space to write down to-do lists and schedule 2 full weeks in advance. It's ideal for busy families, parents, teachers, and office workers, as a fridge calendar, remembering payment due dates and planning appointments. Handy, at-a-glance scheduling. This dry erase calendar is perfectly sized to fit any kitchen refrigerator. For an instant overview of everything you have planned, you can use your day planner to keep the whole family updated on everyone's schedule and tasks all week, every week. 2 times the magnet strength. Unlike other dry erase boards that slip and slide down the fridge due to weak magnets, SmartyPlans Magnetic Calendar for Refrigerator comes with an extra thick, flexible magnet that holds on strong. It's perfect for sticking on the fridge, filing cabinets, or metal doors. Easy to wipe and reuse. Keep planning year after year with a 2-weekly planner that's easy to write on and reuse. With high-quality, stain-resistant PET laminate, you'll never have to worry about leftover marks after wiping with a dry eraser. No annoying stains or ghosting. 3 free bonus goodies. SmartyPlans love their customers and believe in delivering value on every order. That's why, with Calendar Whiteboard, you get 4 magnetic whiteboard markers, a mini white erase board, and magnetic eraser, free when you order. Based on over 990 customer reviews and an overall 4.6-star rating on Amazon. Extra thick, magnetic fridge calendar by SmartyPlans can help you minimize the stress and frustration of trying to keep your family on track and make life more enjoyable for everyone. Here's what some of the users have to say about it. 5 stars. Just buy it. This thing is perfect. Perfect. One of the best purchases ever, I swear. The boxes are big enough for dinner plans, life plans, and little notes. Plus a small, monthly calendar on the side, and a space for additional notes. It's so thick and sturdy, and the magnet is really strong. I had spent $30 on a previous version only to get it come in, and it was a piece of laminated poster board. And it was massive. I can't say enough great things about this. Buy it. Just buy it. Plus, it came with some really good markers, and a separate smaller, blank dry erase I can't wait to put in my office. Says Heather H. 5 stars. Exactly what I needed. It's a beautiful design, with simple, elegant, and crisp clean lines that allow you to organize and plan your time out wisely. There is more than enough space to write down appointments, plan meals, write reminders for bills, and use the checkbox space to make day-to-day lists. The additional, small whiteboard is also handy for jotting down quick notes. The magnetic pens and eraser are fantastic as well. The sellers Makers of this product respond quickly to any concerns you have, and are very helpful. I highly recommend this product. Says Jennifer Baird. 5 stars. Helps me organize. I am trying to get more organized and plan better. I bought this because I often forget what I have going on for the week. This fits nicely on my fridge and helps me plan what I have going on. I update it every week, and it helps me remember my plans. My daughter also likes to know what we have going on. The markers are high quality and have a nice tip for precision writing. So far, they are lasting a long time. I keep them upside down on the front of my fridge to allow the ink to stay in the tip of the marker. This is the perfect size. Says Kim. 5 stars. Best buy all around for the price. I bought this calendar because it is only 2 weeks and not a full month. I have a whiteboard calendar in my living room and a planner, and this is perfect for my little office space. I like looking just 2 weeks ahead at my work and to-do list, so I don't get too overwhelmed. I also love that there was an extra little piece included. I write passwords and the like on this, so my daughter has easy access to the iPad. This is a great product, and I definitely recommend. Says Jasmine Malone. 3 stars. The magnetic board is set up perfectly. The magnetic board is very helpful. The 2-week setup allows for multiple entries. However, the kit comes with 4 dry erase markers: black, blue, red, purple. The black and blue are truly dry erase markers and do not work. The red and purple markers work perfectly. Guess I will just use the 2 markers instead of shipping the entire kit back to Amazon. Says John Hagmeyer. 1 star. Did markers on arrival and won't let me return. The calendar itself seems good, and we were excited to receive it, but out of 4 dry erase markers, out of the box, only 1 works at all. Very disappointed. It says the item is ineligible for a return because it contains flammable liquid. So now I'm just stuck with no markers and have to buy them separately? That seems very disappointing. Says Samantha. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.